Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how you can enable SSH to your local host. So now if I am in the Linux subsystem, I'm in the Windows subsystem for Linux. So if I type SSH localhost, it's going to throw error and connection refuse. So let's enable this, and I'm going to show you how you can connect to your local host using SSH. So first we need to go to the SSH directory, which is in the current directory. So I will type cd ssh, and I can dir here. We have this file, and then we need to authorize him. We need to store it in an authorized, so authorized directory file, which is right here. It will have some keys already. So if I type ssh key generate, it's going to generate a key for me, and yes, let's override them. 5 yes, and no phrases, and the key is generated. So now we can uh, view them, but we need to store them in the uh, authorized file, authorized keys file, and the key we generated is right here. We override this. So I will get public key and forward this to append this actually to authorized keys. And now we need to restart the SSH server. So start the SSH service. So I always SSH restart, and it is asking for password. So SSH open SSH restarting. Now if I type SSH to localhost, and let's see what happens. And here we go. As you can see, we got connected to SSH through SSH to our local host. As you can see right here. Now it displays the IP. We can connect to our this system using this IP as well. Now if I can type who am I in a root directory, and this connect to your. Now this is pretty useful in the scenario where you want to test some scripts that use SSH. So that is pretty useful in that case. Now I will exit from here, and let's use that IP that we saw before to connect to this. So if I copy this and exit from here, now I'm exit logout. So I will type sh and paste the IP, and it's going to add the two authorized keys, and we are in. So we got connected to our Windows system for Linux using our local host. So that's how you can connect to your local host using SSH and Windows subsystem for Linux. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next